Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, fog lights, rollover protection system, steel wheels, backup camera, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.